Welcome to Culinary Quick Bites. Today we're going to discuss dicing. So to dice food, what we want to do is square off the food that we're working with and cut it into small cubes. So first we have this potato, nice humble food, but it's round, can be dangerous to work with. So first thing we're going to want to do is cut off one of the edges to start squaring off the potato to give us a flat surface to work off of. So now that we got that flat surface, this guy isn't going to roll anywhere. So next we're going to go through and start cubing off the rest of the potato, taking off the edges and making nice uniform cuts so we have a clean edges, and we're creating basically a big rectangular brick to work off of. We're going to go ahead and clean up our ends and finish squaring this off. Then we're going to go ahead and make planks, cutting down, and this will be the basis for starting the next cut, which is the julienne, which will then take us into our dice. So it's good to work in stacks of 2 as you're learning. So we're going to make 3 cuts here. Now I've got the nice sticks. And then we're going to go ahead and stack those and cut down through those to make our dice. Make a nice, even cubes. The size of your dice is going to depend on how you're going to use that food. So a smaller dice could be something that you want to do like home fries with. A larger dice may be something that you're using for like roasted vegetables or in a soup or a stew, where they're going to get a little softer as they cook. Go ahead and practice your dices, and we will catch you next time on Culinary Quick Bites.